Hi guys, I'm Chris Super and thank you for joining me for this course, Ultimate Shred Machine. In this course, we're going to be talking about the big four techniques of lead guitar in heavy metal and rock and roll. We're going to be talking about shredding, legato, tapping, and of course, sweeping arpeggios. Okay, so before we dive into shredding, I wanted to talk about exactly what shredding is. We're essentially referring to the concept of staccato, which is many short notes played back to back in succession. So what I'm going to do is show you a brief example of what shredding is going to look like. You'll notice in the examples of shredding that I just showed then that each note is played very briefly before the next note, so none of the notes bleed into each other. The next couple of things I wanted to talk about were pick choice and amp settings.